Hey everyone, James Reeves, TFBTV here at Beretta Range Day with a very close personal friend of mine, Matt Hott from SimTech Consulting, one of the best shotgun shooters, and goddamn is this guy fun to hang out with too. We're looking at the brand new A300 Ultima Patrol Chisel. We're going to talk with Chad, the guy who designed the stock. We're going to talk with Caleb from Beretta, but I wanted Matt to give us the first word. Have you shot this, and what do you think?
I have not shot the A300 version yet. I'm really kind of excited for it. It's the first real option of a new stock for the A300, the first real accessory to change what it comes with the factory. And you know, they've put a lot of thought and effort into it. There's a couple of features that are really kind of intriguing me to get hands on, so I'm really looking forward to shooting it today.
In 30 seconds or less, even though we've done an entire video about this, A300 versus the 1301, pros, cons, which one am I taking?
Whichever one you want. I think the A300 is 90% of the gun at 65% of the price. Something about that?
That's hilarious. Were you like eavesdropping? I said like verbatim, almost exactly that. Maybe seriously, like maybe I said 85% of the gun or something, but that was almost, that's hilarious. I thought you were screwing with me.
No,
yeah, continue.
No, I really like the A300, especially for someone that doesn't want to go all in on the 1301. If they're dipping their toe in the semi-auto waters, I mean, this is the way to go. This thing has a lot of the features that you want. It's got a lot of the compatibility with the accessory market that the 1301 has built. And now the only difference has been the stock. It's got the recoil system going through there, so you can't like put a Magpul stock on it like you can with a 1301. But now Chisel's given an aftermarket option with a lot of adjustability.
And you and I thrashed the absolute shit out of one of these a summer or two ago in the middle of summer, like 120 degrees in the desert.
Scalded.
Not one failure. So these are wonderful guns.
It ran like a scalded ass ape.
Yeah, dude, it was awesome, and it's always awesome seeing you, Matt. Thanks for the cameo on TFBTV Showtime. Let's talk to Chad, the guy who made this stock. I'm here with Chad, talking about the new Chisel stock for the A300. Now, the A300 Ultima Patrol, this is one that I kind of saw as a huge success. Everyone loves the Beretta 1301, but the A300, you know, what I like to say, and I'm hearing the Beretta people watching me, they're probably going to get mad at me for saying this, but you're like 85% of the way, we're 85% of the way there for like frickin', 60% of the price or something, I mean, I love these shotguns. I think this was brilliant, and I really love to see when manufacturers, they introduce a concept and then they continue to offer additional parts. They continue to modernize the platform. So talk to me, Chad, about, well, first tell us what you do.
So I'm Chad. I'm with Chisel Machining, and we manufacture aftermarket parts for shotguns like the 1301, like the A300. And we did the 1301 first, and Beretta came to us and said, hey, how about a solution for the A300? So we went back to the drawing board, and there were some different design concepts, different things that we had to manage, one of them being the rear recoil buffer tube that the 1301 does not have, but the A300 does have. So we had to make sure that the design fit around those constraints and that we were able to give people a good solution that still had an adjustable length of pull, that still had an adjustable cheek height, that still had a red dot sight mount built into it, QD slots front and rear, and of course a good recoil pad, and a pistol grip that people were familiar with that you can swap out, something that fits your comfort, and I think we did it.
Yeah, no, and this looks wonderful, and if we can just take each component piece by piece here, AR-15 grip. I can put any AR-15 pistol grip that I want on there.
Yep.
Now, moving up to the optic, what are we talking about here? I mean, obviously, this is modular, right? You got the new RMR on here.
Correct.
And I would assume, because I see this Allen screw down here, that I could probably swap that out and put whatever, I guess, popular red dot option.
You can. So we, in fact, we just came out with a DPP footprint as well as an acro footprint. So we'll have the RMR, the DPP, and the acro options available for purchase. They come standard with the RMR, but we'll have these, like you said, it is modular. You can swap these out.
How much is one of those going to cost if I want to get, say, like the acro footprint?
20.
$20, that's
Yeah,
it? Okay, shit. I thought it was going to be like 69 bucks or
No.
something. And then that's where my head's at. We're in Vegas. I said $69. And then back here, we've got the so the cheek rest.
Yep. So the adjustable height cheek pad, the pads on this are also made by Kickies. So we love their recoil management. We use them obviously here for the recoil pad in the rear, as well as the cheek height. But this is adjustable up and down. You know, one of the problems that a lot of shotguns have is, depending on what optic you're going to use, you lose that cheek weld. So by having this adjustable,
Brilliant.
cheek pad here, you can still maintain a good cheek weld on it. And one thing a lot of people don't know about all of our stocks is not only is the cheek height adjustable, but you can actually adjust the recoil pad height. So you take the recoil pad off, you'll see some adjustment screws back there so that you can actually move the entire recoil pad up and down to somewhere that it fits you.
Chad, I know you're just the brain. You're not the marketing guy here. But first of all, I want to say, related to that, you just did a phenomenal job explaining this. So that's why I love having engineers and not these scumbaggy marketing guys, around on camera. So that was wonderful, number one. Number two, what I want to ask you, which you may not know the answer to, how much is this going to sell for? And are you subsidizing your cheap $20 footprints with the price of the stock?
Yeah, so this stock is available actually right now already on our website for $400.
Okay. Yeah. That's for what you get. That's perfectly reasonable in my opinion. And it's here now at Beretta Range Day.
Yep.
Do you know of any plans to maybe package this for 2025, or maybe Beretta? They're going to be selling these with their A300s.
So I know they're looking at it. I know this Range Day is going to have a big impact on that. So that's probably a better question for Beretta.
Sure. No, and I figured you'd say that, which is why I kind of laid out my prefatory statement there.
Yep.
But I got to say, if y'all were selling this as y'all being Beretta guys out here, we're selling this as a package, I think this would get a lot of attention. So I got to say, Chad, thank you so much for that walkthrough again. You did a brilliant job. Caleb with Beretta USA, talk to me about what you see with the Chisel stock and where you see this going in terms of integration with the A300.
Yeah, we're super stoked about this. With the 1301, we've had a lot of success with our fixed and our folding stock over there. We launched that last year here at Range Day or at SHOT Show. Sold a ton of those this year. And so we've been a ton of requests on, hey, when are you guys going to come out with an A300 Chisel stock? When's it going to come? When's it going to come? So we've worked with Chisel Machining a good bit over the last year. They've done a ton of R&D. They're selling this on their website now, and we're working through our production process now to get these out to you guys. So we're super pumped about it. They stock the patrol now is at $10.49, I think, for a standard patrol. They're selling these stocks for about $400, and so we're looking to retail these around $14.49, $14.99, give or take.
Oh, so you are going to be releasing this like as its own gun, one total package?
Oh, absolutely. Yeah, just same way we're doing the 1301s today. You'll be able to buy this fully assembled from us at Beretta USA. And we'll have that out sometime in Q2, Q3, 2025.
All right, and what are you going to call this?
This will be the A300 Patrol Chisel, same way we're doing the 1301.
Okay. Well, this is awesome. Caleb, thank you so much for having us. I really appreciate it.
You bet. Thanks for coming by.